What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another one on Origin Protocol, also known as OGN, which I did a crypto update on this a couple of days ago, and right now it is pumping again. As you can see, 20% up in value, making it just under 59 cents. So what is the next target for this crypto? Will it keep going up? Will it drop back down? A lot of questions have been asked. A lot of people did invest into it, and right now it has taken off. So especially when it was worth about 48 cents and went all the way up to 61 cents. That is quite a major profit if you're a short-term trader. So I'm going to go through my predictions over the next couple of hours, days and weeks for the short-term traders, and also over the next couple of months and overall in 2022. Is this a good crypto to get into? Is it worth investing into it? And can it potentially hit the dollar mark or even higher than that over the coming months? And how high and how low can it go in 2022? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can take part by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again, guys, for this giveaway, there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So according to Coinbase, Origin Protocol is the top Origin token, also known as, is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. In the last hour, it has just about fluctuated. Over the last day, 20% up. Over the week, 3% down, nearly 4%. As you can see, for most of the week, it was dropping in value all up until yesterday, where it started picking up. And over the month, it is a massive 127% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here that the trading volume has gone up by a massive 718%, making it $345 million. So that's how much money has been traded on this crypto over the last 24 hours. So we're getting a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, but we can clearly see there's way more buyers, a 71% buy against 29% sell. So it looks like more and more people are investing into it and just holding on to it for the long run, hoping it hits about $1 or $2 over the coming months. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, I do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which is what I'm going to be using to do some technical analysis, but that's not what we're going to start off with. So I'm going to hide it and bring out the MACD indicator to do some price predictions, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But before I get into that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and as you can see, we do have the candlestick pattern chart. And let's have a look if we can get the usual SMA indicator, and let's have a look quickly here. Yeah, here we have it. The SMA indicator is a purple line basically that's running across the chart, which is currently valuing OGN at 0.5858, but it is trading just about at that target as well, meaning it's very, very close and is basically on target. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, we can see that the blue line and the orange line are both looking a little bit bearish, going in a negative direction, meaning slight drops in value are expected over the coming hours. And again, there's nothing major, they're not looking too steep, but the fact is that they are both slightly going in a bearish direction. And again, I've always mentioned this, but whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, just like this one here, it has to come back down in value. It has to take a little breather. That is exactly what I'm expecting from OGN as well. So do expect minimal dips in between, but obviously we are going to see green candles, red candles. It is going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? Still not looking too great, guys. We've got the blue line and the orange line still looking bearish, going in a negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the coming days. So towards the end of next week, we should expect it to probably drop below the 55 cents mark. And again, don't expect it to hit red candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. That's not how it works. We are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but the overall outcome seems to be just about more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect? We're looking a little bit bullish, but obviously it's just one of the lines. We've got the blue line going in a positive direction, and of course the orange line is still going in a negative direction. So more or less it's going to be fluctuating at the current price range over the next couple of weeks. So let's say mid-May to late May and early June as well, we should expect it to fluctuate between 55 to 60 cents. Again, obviously it's going to go beyond those targets as well, but more or less it's going to be hovering around that price target. However, guys, you have to bear in mind that these are my predictions as of right now. This may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across that can have a major impact on the value of AGN, anything like that. I'm going to try and keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And yeah, so let's get rid of the MACD indicator as I've done the predictions. Let's get the Fibonacci scale out to do some technical analysis and see where OGN is heading towards. But before I do that, guys, if any of you guys are interested in what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, all you guys need to do is subscribe to my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. All the details will be there. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, it is limited to the first 100 people. Once I get 100 people in there, I'm going to lock it off and no one will be able to join. And again, just to get out there, guys, I'm not a short-term trader, so I don't buy and sell on a daily basis. I am a long-term investor. So yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you join, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. So let's have a look here. As you can clearly see, we are still hovering in the red zone, which is the lowest zone possible, and the last time we were in the green zone was early December last year, and since then it's been going downhill. We did have quite a peak here in March. Mid-March we had a major peak going all the way from about 25 cents all the way up onto about 83 cents, so nearly 3 times its value. That means you could have made 3 times the amount of money you invested. But yeah, then it dropped and right now slowly starting to go back up in value. So when a lot of people have been asking when can it hit the dollar mark, to be honest, I'm not expecting it to hit the dollar mark anytime soon, especially with the predictions that I've just done going downwards in a negative direction. I'm not expecting it to hit the dollar mark anytime soon. However, Q3 of 2022 is when I'm expecting it to head towards the dollar mark and potentially hitting the dollar mark in Q4 of 2022. But yeah, a lot of people have been asking me to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on OGN, and that is exactly what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, make sure you stay subscribed. And yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on OGN. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and if you didn't, leave it a like as well. So either way, go down and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 50k subscribers as soon as possible before I do the crypto giveaway. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. A massive shout out and a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all of you guys who have been subscribing, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.